Right. This transversal, if the transversal here is cut into two equal parts by these parallel lines, if I draw another transversal, this transversal will also be cut into two equal lengths here. So let's say the length of this one was 5, the length of this one will be 5. Alright, that's what theorem 11 states. So now if I go on to the example on the next page. So for example, if this was 2.8, you can be definitely sure that this is going to be 2.8 as well. Right, if I give you a different example. Right, if I said to you that this was 30 and this one was 20 plus 5b. You know that those two are equal to each other, don't you? So we can find out, the question is find b. Find the value of b. Right, so you put the two of them, because you know that they are equal, put them equal to each other. 20 plus 5b is equal to 30. They're equal to each other. What do you do with the 20? Bring it across. 5b is equal to 30 minus 20. 5b is equal to 10. Divide both sides by 5. b is equal to 2. There is a certain amount of trial and error as well you could do. Alright, so there's one example. Another example. Well, the ones in the book are fairly easy. So for example, the easier ones in the book, x, and you've got 3.5. And over here you have 2.1 and you have y. So what's x equal to? 3.5 because they are equal. And then y is equal to 2.1. Straightforward enough. Right, we'll look at another example. So let's say we have 4 parallel lines. Right, this one is broken up into 5, so the 5, 5 and 5 shows you that these lines, these parallel lines are equidistant apart. So then there's another line here. This measurement is 6. This is y. What's the measurement? What's y? 6. Y is equal to 6. For that reason. And again up here you've got another line, transversal. That's 4.2. What's the value of x? X is equal to 4.2. Simple as that. Right, another hard, well, a slightly harder example. Three parallel lines, equidistant apart, and you have this is 3x and this is x plus 3. You have 2y and you have 2x minus 1. Right, we'll try to sort out the x's first. Down here you have two unknowns. You have a x and a y. Up here we just have x's. So we know that the length of this line is equal to the length of that line. So we start off by writing 3x is equal to x plus 3. What do we do with the x's? Yeah, so you got 3x minus x is equal to 3. So you've got 2x is equal to 3. X is equal to, divide both sides by 2. 2 into 2, was 1. So 3 over 2 is the same as 1.5. Okay? Down here, you go down here and we know what x is, sub in. So down here we'll look at this part here. So 2 times 1.5 minus 1. 2 times 1.5. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So the length of this line in total is equal to 2. So the length of this line is equal to 2. What is y? Yes. 2y is equal to 2. Y is equal to 1. Okay?